Mastering Chess and Life, the Power of Position Your Pieces. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's not only prevalent in the world of chess but also in everyday life. Position your pieces. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your English skills but also offer you a new perspective on strategy and planning. So, let's get started. In chess, position your pieces refers to the strategic placement of your chess pieces on the board to gain an advantage over your opponent. It's about thinking ahead, controlling the board, and setting yourself up for success. Each piece has its unique movement and role, and how you position them can determine the outcome of the game. Beyond the chessboard, position your pieces takes on a broader meaning. It symbolizes preparing and positioning yourself or your resources in the best possible way to achieve a goal or tackle future challenges. It's about strategic planning and making decisions that will set you up for success in any aspect of life, be it your career, personal development, or relationships. 1. In a job setting, preparing your resume, acquiring new skills, and networking effectively can be seen as positioning your pieces for a successful job hunt. 2. In education, choosing the right courses, studying regularly, and engaging in extracurricular activities are ways to position your pieces for academic success. 3. In personal goals, saving money, investing in your health, and building strong relationships are all strategic moves to position your pieces for a fulfilling life. 1. Set clear goals. Know what you're aiming for, whether in chess, your career, or personal life. 2. Plan strategically. Think several steps ahead and consider how your actions now will affect your future. 3. Be adaptable. Life, like chess, can be unpredictable. Be ready to adjust your strategy as circumstances change. 4. Learn from mistakes. Every loss in chess provides lessons. Similarly, use setbacks in life as learning opportunities. Position your pieces is more than just a chess strategy. It's a life philosophy that emphasizes preparation, foresight, and strategic planning. Whether you're maneuvering through the complexities of a chess game or navigating the challenges of life, remembering to position your pieces can be the key to success. We hope this video has not only helped you understand this phrase better but also inspired you to think strategically in all aspects of life. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.